How to connect Facebook lead ads to Google Sheet. So all you have to do is follow the step-by-step method and it could potentially help you with what you're trying to do. So first you're gonna have to set up Facebook leads ad and go to Meta Ads Manager, create a campaign with the objective leads and choose instant forms as your lead method. Build your form and then just publish your ad. Once you've done so, you can prepare your Google Sheet. Open Google Sheets and create a new spreadsheet with headers and keep this sheet ready as your storage for leads. Then you can connect Facebook to Google Sheets, so integration options. You can connect them in different ways depending on your tool. So for the first option, you can use Zapier. Sign up to Zapier, create a new Zap, and choose Facebook Lead Ads as the trigger app. Connect your Facebook account and then select the Facebook page and lead form. The next is to choose Google Sheets as the action app and connect your Google account. Pick your spreadsheet and worksheet, so the map fields as well, so name column, email, and then email column. Then you can finally test the connection and turn on the Zap. So now every lead will automatically go into Sheet. So there are available other options over here if you don't want to use Zap, but if it can help you, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.